You got the hammer? Where's the drill? Don't know? Where's Dad's drill? It's up, yes. Where's Emil's hammer? Where's your hammer? Dad's hammer, you're right. Can you show me how you hammer? Whoa. Are you helping Dad fix it? Get your hammer and do some fixing. You got your board? Careful. Whoa. Good job, bud. We say bye-bye?